Hey everyone! Today, let's dive into something that might seem small, but packs a powerful punch in the world of nutrition and flavor: sesame seeds. You might sprinkle them on your bagels or toss them into your salads, but there's so much more to these tiny seeds than meets the eye. So, let's explore the top 5 benefits of sesame seeds that might just make you want to incorporate them into your diet more often. First up, let's talk about heart health. Sesame seeds are loaded with healthy fats, particularly polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fats. These are the good fats that can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. They contain a compound called sesamin, which has been shown to improve cardiovascular health. So, if you're looking for a tasty way to keep your heart happy, a sprinkle of sesame seeds on your meals could be the way to go. Now, on to the second benefit: bone health. Did you know that sesame seeds are a fantastic source of calcium? Just a small handful can provide a significant amount of your daily calcium needs. This is especially great news for those who are lactose intolerant or looking for non-dairy sources of calcium. Plus, they also contain other minerals like magnesium and phosphorus, which are essential for maintaining strong bones. So, if you want to keep your bones strong and healthy, consider adding sesame seeds to your diet. Moving on to our third point, sesame seeds can be a great ally for your skin. They are rich in antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress and protect your skin from damage. The oil extracted from sesame seeds is often used in skincare products because it can help moisturize and nourish the skin. Plus, the vitamin E found in these seeds can promote healthy skin and may even help reduce the appearance of scars. So, whether you're eating them or using the oil, sesame seeds can contribute to that radiant glow we all desire. Now, let's get a little more personal and talk about digestion, the fourth benefit. If you've ever struggled with digestive issues, sesame seeds might just be your new best friend. They're a good source of dietary fiber, which is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. Fiber helps keep things moving along in your gut, preventing constipation and promoting overall digestive health. So, if you want to keep your tummy happy, don't overlook these tiny seeds. Last but definitely not least, let's discuss the potential impact of sesame seeds on your mood and stress levels. These little seeds contain an amino acid called tryptophan, which is a precursor to serotonin, the feel-good hormone. Consuming foods rich in tryptophan can help boost your mood and may even alleviate symptoms of anxiety and depression. So, if you're feeling a bit down or stressed out, adding sesame seeds to your meals could be a delicious way to lift your spirits. In summary, sesame seeds are not just a garnish. They're a powerhouse of nutrition with a myriad of health benefits. From promoting heart health and strengthening bones to enhancing skin health, aiding digestion, and boosting your mood. These tiny seeds truly deserve a spot in your pantry. So, whether you're tossing them into a stir-fry, blending them into a smoothie, or just enjoying them as a snack, remember that every little seed counts. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you feel inspired to explore the world of sesame seeds a little more. Who knew something so small could have such a big impact on our health? Until next time, keep experimenting in the kitchen and discovering new ways to nourish your body.